Hello all, welcome to our new video for Maths is Fun. And today we are going to talk about spirals in hurricanes and galaxies. So what is the hidden maths behind it? Hurricanes are found on Earth, whereas galaxies are in the space. So what is the maths in both of them? Is there any maths? Let us explore. Why do hurricanes and galaxies have the same spiral shape, despite being separated by unimaginable distances and scales? These phenomena share a very eerily similar pattern. What hidden mathematics connects a storm on Earth to the vast arms of a distant galaxy? One spins in our atmosphere, driven by wind and water. The other rotates across millions of light years, shaped by gravity and time. Yet, both create the same mesmerizing spiral form. The answer lies in the universal language of mathematics. Yes, mathematics. Let's explore. A spiral is a curve that winds around a center point, getting further away as it goes. One of the nature's most beautiful and universal patterns. Nautilus shells grow in perfect logarithmic spirals, adding chambers as the creature expands, a living example of mathematical beauty. Sunflower seeds arrange in Fibonacci spirals, maximizing packing efficiency, nature's own mathematical optimization. From tornadoes spinning vertically to galaxies rotating across millions of light years, spirals connect the smallest and the largest scales. Yes, the larger scales too. Let's explore further. Now let us see what is the maths behind these spirals. There's a very simple spiral equation. R is equal to A plus B theta. Yes, this is a simple spiral equation. This elegant formula describes how spirals grow outwards from a center point. As the angle theta increases, the distance r from the center grows steadily, creating the beautiful winding curves we see throughout nature and the cosmos. Here, r is the distance from the center, theta the angle of rotation, A starting point, and B the growth rate. Watch how the spiral expands as the angle increases. The same mathematical principle governs shells, storms, and galaxies alike. Isn't it interesting? Let us understand the hurricanes and the spiral motion. Earth rotates on its axis, we all know, right? Creating powerful forces that influence weather patterns. As our planet spins, it deflects moving air masses, causing them to curve rather than travel in straight lines. So, the curve of the air is caused by the spinning of the planet. The rotation is the fundamental driver behind the hurricane formation. Warm ocean air rises and the cooler air rushes in to replace it. Earth's spin causes this incoming air to curve, creating a rotating system. So, the Earth's spin, the rotation of the Earth, causes a rotating system of the air. The faster the winds, the tighter the spiral becomes, forming the iconic hurricane shape we see from space. Weather maps reveal the mesmerizing spiral patterns of hurricanes in motion. Wind bands curve inwards toward the calm eye at the center, following mathematical spiral paths created by the interplay of rotation, pressure, and atmospheric forces. So formed are the beautiful but dangerous hurricanes. Earth's spin causes winds to curve, as we have seen earlier. This is called the Coriolis effect. As air moves from high to low pressure zones, our planet's rotation deflects it sideways. In the northern hemisphere, winds curve to the right. In the southern hemisphere, they curve to the left. This invisible force shapes the spiral patterns of hurricanes and cyclones across our world. Without the Coriolis effect, air would flow straight from high to low pressure. Instead, this deflection creates the rotating spiral arms we see in massive storm systems. The faster the wind moves, the stronger the deflection, turning simple air currents into the magnificent swirling patterns that connect weather on Earth to the cosmic spirals of the distant galaxies. Yes, to the distant galaxies too. Now, let us understand the galaxies and cosmic spirals. Yes, we are moving from Earth to the space. Stars and galaxies orbit around a central, supermassive black hole. As they spin, gravitational forces and density waves create stunning spiral arms. The Milky Way has four major spiral arms stretching across 1 lakh light years. These cosmic pinwheels contain billions of stars, gas clouds, and cosmic dust swirling in eternal dance. Glowing star clusters mark the spiral arms where new stars are born. Hot young blue stars illuminate the arms while older red stars populate the galactic center. The spiral patterns persist for billions of years, maintained by gravitational interactions and orbital mechanics across unimaginable scales. These are too big to understand. But are these hurricanes and galaxies similar? Yes, they are. Both rotate around a center point. Both form spiral arms from motion and forces. Similar patterns emerge at vastly different scales, from Earth's atmosphere to the cosmos. The same mathematical principles create spirals, whether spanning hundreds of kilometers or millions of light years. Yes, they are quite similar, as you see. Is there a Fibonacci connection to the spirals? Let us understand. The Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc. Each number is the sum of the two before it. This pattern creates a perfect spiral found throughout the nature. Sunflower seeds arrange in Fibonacci spirals, 34 spirals one way, 55 the other. This packing pattern maximizes seeds in minimum space. Nautilus shells grow in Fibonacci spirals, adding chambers that follow the golden ratio. Nature's mathematical blueprint for efficient growth is seen in these spirals, right? Yes, maths is everywhere. Seashells grow in perfect logarithmic spirals, following the Fibonacci sequence as they expand outwards from their center. Cyclones and hurricanes form massive atmospheric spirals shaped by Earth's rotation and the physics of fluid dynamics. Flowers like sunflowers display spiral seed patterns that maximize packing efficiency using golden ratio mathematics. Spiral patterns, in fact, connect Earth and space and life itself, isn't it? To conclude, let us see some fun facts about spirals. Hurricanes can be hundreds of kilometers wide. These massive spiral forms span distances greater than entire countries, with wind speeds reaching over 250 kilometers per hour at their most powerful. Some galaxies contain millions and billions of stars. The Milky Way alone has over 200 billion stars, all spinning together in a magnificent cosmic spiral dance. Spiral patterns appear all across nature, from tiny seashells to massive galaxies. The same mathematical shapes repeat at every scale of the universe. Yes, every scale, small or big, of the universe. The fact is, the universe follows patterns, and maths is its language. From the smallest seashell to the largest galaxy, spiral patterns reveal the hidden mathematics order that governs our universe. The same equations that describe a hurricane's swirling winds also explain the majestic arms of the distant galaxies. Whether on Earth or in the depth of space, nature speaks through mathematics. Spirals are just one example of how universal patterns connect everything from storms to stars, from flowers to cosmic dust, the beauty of maths is all around us. Yes, all around us. And with this, we come to an end of this video. The universe follows patterns and maths is its language. Keep exploring the spirals that connect Earth and space. Share this video with all those of your friends who are interested in mathematics on Earth and in space. Thank you. God bless you all.